Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today we're going to make the first episode of the Smokehouse Burgers series, the best stuff, and we are going to prepare the Caesar chicken burger. So it's a bit like a Caesar salad, okay, but in a burger. So for that we need to prepare a very good Caesar sauce, which is the most important thing in that burger, of course. And to prepare a real one, you will need to get a cup of mayonnaise, 100 grams of Parmesan, 3 or 4 drops of Worcestershire sauce, and two drops of Tabasco, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, the juice of 1 lemon, 4 garlic cloves, and it's very important to get this for a real Caesar sauce is the anchovy. You need to get fresh anchovies, okay, and even if we need only 2 or 3 anchovies, you can get the rest of the box as an appetizer or whatever you want, but we really need the anchovy, the fresh anchovy in that sauce, okay. For the burger, we need a good burger bun, so a good bread is very important to get a good bread. And for the chicken, we will use some chicken fillets. But as you already know, the chicken fillet is always thicker on that part and thinner on this part. So if you put the chicken fillet like that on the grill, it will not cook uniformly. So we will need to cut the chicken fillets to get the same thickness everywhere and get a uniform, steady cooking. Alright, I will use some barbecue rub, my classic rub, which is a little bit sweet. It's the same rub that I use for my ribs, okay? So we can start with the sauce. Let's go. So for the chicken fillet, it's really easy to do. We will need to be in the middle here, that part, okay. Alright, and now we have the same thickness almost everywhere, okay. We'll rub the meat. Minutes. Now I will raise the temperature of the grill to the max because I want to melt some Parmesan cheese on the chicken. So to dress the burger, it's like usual, salad and onion first, and the chicken. Caesar sauce and the tomatoes. And we are set. So this was the Caesar chicken burger on the barbecue. I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.